Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. I was trying to make a live for you to show you some interesting behaviors of the markets, but my computer is not my friend today, so it will be just a quick video about the current situation on British pound to Japanese yen, and I show you as well what's going on Apple stock and what to look for according to Ichimoku. So as you can see, I entered few sell positions yesterday on British pound to Japanese yen according to Ichimoku strategy. So there you go. We've got the breakout from the Kumo. This is classic. We've got the breakout from the Kumo. First there was a resistance, but we already got inside of the Kumo, as you can see. Then we bounced off beautifully back to Kijun, and then again massive fall below Tenkan, and that was just a matter of time. And after this beautiful black candle, everyone already knew, and everybody was joining the happy group of sellers. I did it a bit earlier because I predicted that from the time theory as well, so I got other calculations than only the signal of breaking out from the Kumo, which we will be talking on our Ichimoku club sessions, how to calculate and how to be one step ahead of everyone. So this is nice when you can enter the market before the clear signal like that. So you are already higher than everyone else, because everyone else would be like entering here. And then I added another position at this level. My targets for this moment are at the N, target N. So it's here, and the market just visited this this level, as we can see, and there is quite a strong bounce off because the US is opening soon. So now we have London session, but the United States will open. So, you know, or the Londoners, they're getting out of their sell positions. They want to bank the profits. They don't want to gamble what US will do. And I could do it as well because we are on the V target, and the N target is just around the corner. But according to the time theory, I believe the bottom should be a little bit further, like within 8 hours. So not just yet. That's why I keep it at this time. It's not much. I could just close by hand. I wouldn't be losing much, and just save time. That's another thing, because time is precious. But time you will pass anyway. And I want to stick to my initial targets. So I was even thinking of target E, which is here, which still might happen because look at all these bottoms. There is so many stop losses here, so the market will want to break through, retest it, and you know, that would be a perfect place to get to. But at the moment, holding my position and observing what will happen further. I will not make a loss because all my stop losses are at this point, so at target NT, so I will be making profits anyway. Let's have a look at the Apple. So that's the Apple stock. I was playing with it yesterday. Marking some observations. It's a lot of things going on here, but just to make it short, I think we might easily get to 50% of this wave. So if we measure this wave, sorry, the whole one, that's not the bottom I was talking about. Here we are, and I believe we need some fresh start. So the market was going up like crazy for really long time. If we have a look from November 2018, maybe this was November, more like December, January. So for whole 2019, we were in a bullish trend, like a massive bullish trend. And starting from this correction, from 3rd of June last year, like non-stop. Or maybe here there was a small one as well. Yeah, the way we touched the Kumo. So yeah, we touched the Kumo, and now we are at we were at $328, and I believe we will drop to $235, which from technical analysis is a perfect point, because we will retest these highs, and they were not retested previously, except this little pullback here. But except that, I think we need something stronger on such a massive move. And now the coronavirus is a very good excuse to do that. Time-wise as well. Time-wise, it looks very good. And we need to watch for 27th of March. So I believe we should get here either 27th of March, or there will be a change to the uptrend on 27th of March. We will see how the market behaves. But anyway, 27th of March is the key day for this movement here. So for now, if we have a look at the size of the correction, if we measure this one real quick, and we put it on this one here, we can see that once we break this level 23.6, then we can talk as about the downtrend, developing downtrend. So this will be a support for now, but once we break it, everyone will know that this correction is bigger, so there will be an overbalance on the market, which means very possible downtrend or like bigger correction. Especially that, look at that, the Kijun Sen was just taken in with one candle, like massively gapping. So and time wise, it was a perfect timing as well for it to do so. Beautiful. So I believe there will be like a much longer downtrend for now, like a correction, because we are still in an uptrend. So I would be looking for buy signals at this level later on, but of course I want to sell at the same time. Look at the Kumo. Kumo is already becoming much thinner, and in few days we should see the down Kumo. But for now we are on the support, because the lower Senkou span B is a strong support. But just judging by this movement here, I think this support will be broken. But for now it's just wishful thinking. We need to wait for this level to be taken down. Okay, this is for now. Of course, I invite you all to join Ichimoku Trading Club. We're starting on Monday, 1st of March, and all the subscribers, we will have a one-on-one. I will help you to set up your platform, and we will go through your knowledge on Ichimoku, so you need to have some. And of course on Monday we will have a recap as well, and we will do this kind of analysis 1 hour 3 times a week, minimum 1 hour, minimum 3 times a week, because I like to talk, so get ready that it might be longer than 1 hour. Plus, if you have some observations, if you have some pairs to analyze, some instruments, indices, you name it, we will do it. So it might take time because we want to make like a deep, thorough analysis. And Ichimoku strategy is, as you know from my previous video, it's not only this chart and breaking of the Kumo, it's the wave theory, it's the time theory, it's the price theory, meaning the target reaching theory. So we need to calculate a lot of things. Another thing interesting, just look at this Chico. Maybe let me enlarge it. Chico span beautifully broke through the price, broke through the Kijun, and now retesting Kijun. So yesterday's close was exactly under the Kijun from 26 days ago. Beautiful. This is classic Ichimoku. So that's why I'm a big believer in a downtrend on this one. As well, we can have a quick look. Just remember, let's have a quick look on. We can actually do it here on EURUSD, because this is interesting as well. It's going strongly up. We are breaking through the Kijun at the moment on daily, but don't be fooled. I believe we will go down again. So I think this is like the first wave, second, third, fourth, and then will be a proper fifth one. So that might be like an S wave actually. So we will be revisiting these levels. We will be revisiting these levels here. Yeah, around this point. I don't know, this bottom here, maybe this zone. Basically, you've got the point, yeah. So previous support now will be resistance. Chico as well. It might bounce off this this price here, and I think there is a big possibility that we will massively fall down from here. But of course, we need to watch the market, and the market is always right. So we just need to observe these levels. What will happen at this point? Time-wise, we still have like I think 2 days for this game to clarify. So maybe today, tomorrow, and on Monday something should start happening. Okay, so I think this is it for now. Have a great trading day, and I talk to you as soon as I can. Take care, everyone. Bye.